Hello, my name is Camyron Holt, and I'm president of Instant FC LLC. I have 7 years experience in real estate development, and today I want to share a process with you that I think will save you time and increase the accuracy of the coding of your construction invoices. Under this process, the engineer will send you a monthly construction invoice, as they always do, but they'll also send a coding summary that goes along with it. So what is this process? So step one is that you'll list the cost codes and reimbursement codes for each line item in your construction contract. Step two is you'll give this coding information to your engineer, and your engineer will insert it into their master form of pay application for your construction contract. Step three is your engineer will run a pivot table on each of your construction pay applications. And this pivot table will summarize the cost codes and reimbursement codes for each pay application. Step four is you'll receive a summary of cost codes and reimbursement codes along with each of your construction pay applications. There's no more need to code each and every pay application anymore. So if done correctly, you'll only need to verify the correctness of the pay application itself. Did they do the work in the pay application that they said they did? So let's get started. When you sign a construction contract, your engineer will prepare a master form of pay application in Excel. They'll then use this master form of pay application to create your individual pay applications. Because this pay application has been created in Excel and pay applications mimic the form of a table, like you can see here, you can actually run a pivot table on that master form of pay application. All you need to do is add columns to the right of this master form of pay application, list the cost codes and reimbursement codes applicable for each line item in the master form of pay application, and then you're done. It's important that you list your cost codes and reimbursement codes, though, in the time in between you sign your construction contract and the first pay application, which is usually 30 to 45 days, so you have a little bit of time. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's hundreds of lines in a construction contract. This is going to take forever. While there are a lot of lines, you can actually create large groupings of lines. For example, grouping paving items and grouping amenity items. What you'll find is that this process will take a lot less time than you had originally anticipated, and it'll certainly take a lot less time than coding each and every invoice on a monthly basis. Next, you'll need to explain this process to your engineer. It's been my experience, a 1 hour phone conversation will do, and your engineer will understand for all the future projects moving forward. They understand the process. They may not be familiar with the process, but they can understand it. Simply state that they need to run a pivot table on each pay application such that the total amount of the pivot table needs to match the total amount of the pay application. Lastly, your engineer will run this pivot table each month, summarizing your cost codes and reimbursement codes for each pay application, and send you the summary of those cost codes and reimbursement codes, along with your monthly pay application. And that's all I have for you today. If you'd like a consultation regarding your accounting processes or operations processes, please visit instantfc.com and schedule a consultation today. Thank you.